What does this number mean on my fishing reel? The gear ratio of a reel is measured by how many times the spool turns for each single turn of the handle. So let's see how this works. This gear ratio is 7.2:1. So every time I turn this handle one time, that spool will turn 7.2 times. Let's try it out and see if it works out. So I'm going to place this handle in a 12 o'clock position and mark my spool here. And this is just a rough estimate, but let's see if it works out. So I marked this top part of the handle with a piece of duct tape so we don't get it confused with the bottom one. And I also have my mark on my spool in a 12 o'clock position. So now we're going to turn this handle one time around and see if this spool turns 7.2 times. There's one time the spool turned and the handle moved this much. There's the second time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.2. And there's the handle we marked. So once again, your gear ratio, every time this handle turns one time, your spool will turn 7.2 times. A low-speed spinning reel with a 4.9/1 gear ratio is the best for fishing with live or dead bait. A reel with a gear ratio of 5.1 is going to be a much slower reel than one with a 7.1 gear ratio. Anything with a ratio below 5.1 is considered low. And anything 5.2 and above is considered high speed. It takes experience to fish slowly with a high speed reel, so buying a middle speed model in the 5.4 to 6.1 range allows novice to fish both slow and fast moving baits easier.